In this video, I'll show you how to add and use a moving average crossover strategy in TradingView using PineScript. It's a simple example that helps you understand how trading signals work, and you can copy the exact script from the description below. First, open TradingView and pull up any chart. At the bottom of your screen, click on Pine Editor to open the scripting panel. Now delete everything inside and paste the PineScript code from the video description. Once the script is pasted, click Add to Chart, and TradingView will automatically apply it. You'll now see two lines on your chart, a blue line for the short-term moving average and an orange line for the long-term one. Here's how it works. Whenever the blue line crosses above the orange line, that's a buy signal, and when it crosses below, that's a sell signal. You'll also see small green and red arrows on your chart marking these points. You can easily adjust the settings too. Just open the indicator settings and you'll find options to change the moving average lengths. For example, 20 and 50 by default. Try experimenting with different values to match your trading style. If you want alerts, the script already includes them. Go to the Alerts tab, choose the indicator, and select either the buy or sell alert condition. That way, TradingView will notify you every time a crossover happens. Once everything looks good, click Save As to store your script for future use. You can even publish it if you'd like to share it with other traders on TradingView. And that's it, you've just created your first moving average crossover strategy using PineScript. It's one of the best ways to start learning how indicators and strategies are built. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more TradingView tutorials, and check the description below to copy the full PineScript code.